Oh, okay. Did it go? Yep. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recorded. Should be on.
All right. Can y'all hear me? It's Tongon Jokhayadega. It's Tongon Jokhayadega. Remember, that's one person. Gaga. When it's got gaga at the end, that means there's more than one person. All right, it's Tongon Jokhayadega. If you break this up into sound, Jokhayadega. Remember now, I know a lot of people had a difficult time during our previous lesson with the I. Remember, the I is the A sound. So when you have that, you go day right here, day, and like G, A, J, okay? I know that was a few, y'all were getting confused on that. Y'all looking at it as the English E, but it's actually an A sound, okay? So that's what, today we're gonna go over that because we're gonna do these words, okay? We're gonna start with this. See this? Ayo. Ayo. Afki. Anytime you have the I.
Este es el follow ticket for the suit and the support permission for body take your thing these things for English it's lesson time.
Yeah, class time.
So if you have an I, like say G-A, that C-I would be J, like J-A-Y in English. Or you make sure that you remember that the I has the A sound, okay? So I told y'all were going to read today. We're going to start back over with 2-letter sounds. And who's on? If y'all tell me who's on, y'all's going to remember now. Y'all going to start reading today. And I'm going to make sure you got your enunciation right. And you're learning your alphabet. This is what the whole point is using your sounds, okay? Because language is sounds. Okay? Okay. Jane, are you on? How about?
I'm here, but I went first last time.
Oh, okay. What about Haga? Is that Haga? Are you on?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say this first word? Hawk?
Are you? Are you?
Uh-huh. See, you got the tone when you get these sounds. Are you? Becky, how about you? What about say another? Are you on, Becky?
Yes, I am.
Okay, can you say another?
Oh, you mean another? Oh, there it is. Ita.
Yeah, okay, remember now, your
Ida. Yeah, Ida.
Ida, there you go. Your T's got a D sound. See, Ida. Ida. So remember now, and this is where forgetting English comes in. And that's the hardest part, guys, is forgetting English. Okay? Ida. Okay? Anybody else on that wants to read these two? I need to know, if you can come on. Let's get these.
I'll go.
Okay. Let's do rabbit. Let's do rabbit. Right here.
Jofi.
Jofi. Very good. Very good. You got it. Oh, that's okay, Anita. We'll, I'm sure I had you in class before. I think you can. You can pronounce these pretty good. Anybody else on that wants to try this? Okay. And you are Sheila, okay? Let's let me see. I want to find one that y'all were kind of having trouble with. Cat. Let's do cat. Are you on, Sheila?
Yeah, what are we doing?
A cat. You're reading these Greek words. Can you do cat?
Oh, Bosie.
Bossy. Very good. That's what we're, because a lot of times I'll hear bossy, bossy. And that's not a Mvskoke word, but bossy is a cat, okay? Anybody else on that wants to try this? Because today right now I'm gonna try to find out if y'all's using your sounds. Anybody else? Ella, Jinda,
No, again.
how about
Huh?
gun?
Oh, itcha.
Itcha, itcha. Gun is itcha, okay? And you can't hear the T real good, but it's your tongue is on top of your palate. Itcha, okay? Who else is on, guys? Anybody else?
Mahaya, that word, chestnut. Stuin Maktadoa.
Allah. Oh, chestnut.
Huh?
Odo, right here, chestnut. Odo,
Uh-huh.
odo. Can you hear me?
Oh.
Odo.
Okay.
Remember that O, and then D-O, odo. Odo.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Odo.
And see how close these are though? Look at this. I want y'all to compare these words. Odo is chestnut, but ada is a snail. See how close in enunciation that is? Odo and ada. That's where sounds come in. Odo is a chestnut, but ada is a snail. Ada is a snail. And see where that O and comes in? Okay. Anybody else on? Sheila, are you still on?
Yeah, I'm still on.
Okay, can you do rain?
Uski.
Ushki. Ush. Hear that? Oopsie. Ushki. Make sure you got that attitude with that O. Oh, ushki. Okay.
Mahaya, have you heard from that girl that lives, or that lady, I'm sorry, that lady that lives in Florida? I'm wondering how.
No, but now she said she probably won't be on because that hurricane is really close to her. They said they probably won't have no electric or anything to come on, so I'm not expecting her to come on.
I get that,
hope
Jayez
they
is so on.
When
I get that, Jayez is so on.
Yeah, everybody needs to be in prayer for those people that's in Florida because like we have a few of them that's on this class here, you know, and that Kurali Takodesh Gehos and Hadam Owa Tako Wilogi, you know, that's a deep water, you know, that's what's happening over there. And she emailed me and told me that she may not be on because of that electricity and stuff will be off. So y'all guys gotta be thinking about them. Okay, Miko 12132, Jinda, can you say body? Are you on, Bev? Ina, can
He
you
needs
say
to
body?
unmute. He needs to unmute.
Yeah, can you unmute Miko 132?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you say body?
Ina,
Ina.
Ina.
Very good. Ina. That's good. Okay, that's good. I'm trying to find words that that I've heard that y'all kind of having trouble with. So, okay, we're gonna go to 3-letter. A hold. Ella, a hold.
Oksovke? Oksovke?
Aksufki. What about you, Miko 132? How about a boy?
Jibane. Jibane.
Okay, remember now, it's B-A, Jibani, Jibani.
Oh, Jibani. Jibani.
And that's talking about a gender, like a gender, boy, gender. A boy like a Jibani, that's more like a name when you name somebody Jibani. But then this gender, Jibani means a gender, a male gender.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
Can I say it again? Can I say it again?
Huh?
Jibani.
No,
Jibani.
Jibani.
Jibani. Jibani. Oh, okay, Jibani. That's a gender.
Yeah, that's a gender, like a male gender.
Okay.
And
Yes,
say
okay.
it's like a man too. It's Hondanwa for man, Hondanwa.
Oh, Honanwa.
As a
Man.
man. But for a boy, it's Jibani.
Oh, Jibani. Jibani.
Yeah. Okay. Who else is on, guys? So far, I just got 3 here, 4 here. If everybody
I got my sound working now.
All right, Machi. And who is this?
This is Paul Bell.
Okay. I want you to say, handkerchief.
Could you say it again, please?
A handkerchief. A handkerchief.
Okay. Inoka.
Okay. You're using
Inoka.
there you go. Inochka. There you go. See, it's E-O-G-G-A. Inochka. Okay, here's one for somebody. Who wants to do this who word right here? This is what I was looking for. Who?
I'll say it.
Okay.
It's demon.
Okay, here we go. This is where I saw y'all were having trouble with. Remember, this I is the A sound. So you say it's there. It's there, much.
Okay.
Yeah, remember that. Okay. And like listen, day, bay, right here where it says Hubei, that's bay. Okay.
Okay.
And lay for like here, a patch, malega. It's lay. Okay. Let's see if I can find. So see these A's, the I, that's why I say forget English. Look at these as Mvskoke sounds and not as English. Right here, Pobeye, Pobeye. And it's bay, lay, day, right here. And that's where a lot of people makes that mistake. They look at it as an E sound, but as far as Mvskoke sounds go, it's a sound. So like say, C, A is C, and which in English would be S-I. S-I, that would be say instead of C, say, okay? That's what I was, that's why I wanted to do this, to make sure that y'all's getting your sounds, okay? Making sure you're getting your sound. Okay, who else is on?
Mvhayv,
Uh-huh.
CE. How you say CE?
G,
G,
G, uh-huh.
G. And SI is say,
Uh-huh.
say. Okay.
Yeah.
G and C. Okay. Mado.
Okay, we're going. Let's see. Hang on. Two and three letter sounds. I can't get those. Okay, here we go. I didn't see it. Hang on. Look here. Okay, we're gonna go back over this today, okay? G and ah put together is ja. Ja. G. J. Jo. Ju. Ja. Fa. Be. Bay. See, anything with the I in it is A. So like this one, J, Bay, Gay, Hey, Lay, May, Nay, Bay, They, Say, Day, Way, Yay. That's where that comes in. And remember now, those are all like an A sound. So like ja, she, J, jo, ju, ja. Fa, be, bay, bo, bu, ba. Ga, gi, gay, go, gu, ga. Ha, he, hey, ho, hu, ha. La, li, le, lo, lu, la. Ma, me, mo, mu, ma. Na, ni, ne, no, nu, na. Ba, be, bo, bu, ba. Tha, thi, say, so, thu, sa. Okay. When you always use, say, like Gus, that's a command saying sit down. But right here, that's a word, Gus. You're telling somebody to sit down. Gus. Mema. Mema is over there. Right here is a word right here. Mema means over there. Mema. So see, every one of these, the I with the is a sound. Okay, a sound. Say, day, way. I noticed that the other day y'all were having trouble with that. That's how come we're kind of reading now, because I want y'all to be able to read these words and say them. And when we went through the phrases, you can break these phrases up and actually be reading those and then saying them. And that's how come we went to everyday lessons, you know, like plates and stuff like that, so y'all could pronounce them. Okay. All right. Anybody else on? Lee, are you on? How about
Yeah, I'm on.
okay? Can you say just by looking at this? Can you say a cow? Look at your sound. A cow. And let's go back up the sounds and all. Words and all. Well, okay. I'll just pick something out of here. Okay, what about you? When you say you, how would you say it?
Jimmy.
There we go, Jimmy. Yeah, Jimmy. Jimmy. Diane, are you on? How about Cassandra, are you on?
I'm here.
Okay. Can you say trap?
Jalo.
There you go, Jalo. Yeah, right on. I can hear that tone on you. I can hear it. Jalo. That's right. Victoria, are you there? Victoria, are you there? Okay, Missy, are you there? Okay, Paul, are you there?
I'm here. I just stepped away for a second.
Okay, and who are you, Missy?
I'm Victoria.
Victoria, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have you read this. Can you say woof?
Yaha.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Okay, anybody else? Who else is on, guys? Lee, Jinda, you're on, aren't you?
I'm still on.
Okay, what about fork? This right here, like forking a branch or a road.
Yuck be.
Okay, remember now, ye up, ge, be, yuck, be.
Yuck
Yuck.
be.
Cause this, hear this, ye up, ge, yuck, be. Cause the is in there, okay?
Mhm.
Okay. Who wants to do pigeon? Who's on?
I'll do it. This is Hager.
Okay, yeah, there you go. I was just getting ready to call on you too. Pigeon.
Budgie.
Budgie. Very good. See how this, are y'all kind of getting where this language is sounds? Budgie. It's Diane, Jinda, are you on? How about Missy, Jinda? Okay, Jane.
Yes.
Okay. Can you say black drink?
Basa.
Very good. Very good. Gosh, y'all's doing this. I can hear your tone now. I can hear your tone. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I can hear your tone. Huh?
Naktua Basha.
Basha, they use that like a black drink. Maho get into us, and that's like for they use that at the ceremonies, Basha. To me it's bitter, but I don't know, you know, it's kind of bitter.
Hilitayo mo,
Yeah, they,
huh?
they use that.
Uh-huh,
Yeah.
okay. But,
Okay, we're gonna start on 3-letter words. So, Paul, can you do a field?
Okay, let me find it.
We're on the 3-syllable words.
Okay. Jabofa.
Jabufa. See, jabufa. Because of the at the end. Fa. Jabufa. Can you
Jabofa.
say it again? Jabufa. Okay, Diane, are you on? About Donna. Miko, are you on?
I'm
1,
on.
3. Okay, can you say a bottle? That's in the second column of the 3-syllable words, a bottle.
See, I'm looking.
It's on your 3-syllable word page, and it's on the second column.
Okay. Bottle. If I see the word, I can say it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Velasco.
Very good, Falasco. Y'all doing really well. And I'm showing, I'm seeing that these sounds are helping you. And you're getting the tone. Remember, I told you tone was going to come with sounds. This is what we're wanting to get to, okay? This is what we was wanting to get to. Okay. Missy, are you on? How about you, Lisiana? Lisiana, am I saying that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how would I say clean?
What was,
Clean.
I'm sorry.
How would you say clean?
Clean, okay. Pashatsky.
Hashutsky. Very good. Yeah, very good. See how you putting these sounds together and it's making a word. In the Mvskoke language, it's making a word. Just putting these sounds together means something. Okay? So that's why I stress sounds, because language, y'all's finding out that language is sounds. It's sounds. Okay, so who else is on? Sheila, are you on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Okay, can you say a patch right here on your 3-letter sounds, and it's on the second column down to the me, the patch, a patch.
A patch. I can't find it.
It's on the second column of your 3-letter sounds. Take your time.
Is it towards the bottom? Oh, I see it. Malega.
There you go, Malega. There it is. See how you got that lay in there? That's
Yeah.
right, Malega. Very good. Good job. Christy, are you on?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I want you to do Perry on your 3-letter sound words. Perry.
Harry.
No, Perry. Like a Perry, like a field or a Perry.
Hang on. Prairie.
Prairie.
Hayakpo.
Ayappo, very good. There you go. Very good. See, I would have never could tell when you said that. that you're not a speaker or you're just
No, I'm
now
not.
learning.
I'm learning.
See?
Yes,
Yeah, you're learning. So
definitely.
see, I couldn't tell that when you pronounced that word. That's
Oh.
where I want to teach you to,
Good.
okay?
Okay, good.
Good, good, okay?
Get the accent.
Who
Yeah.
else is on? Darren? Who's Darren? Are you on, Darren? How about Lee? Are you still on? Sheila, are you on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Okay. Can you do short? Like in height, short.
Constructing.
Ada
Jokni.
maga. Go, yeah.
Jokni.
Kojokni. Kojokni. Very good. Very good. Let's see. Christy, are you on? How about Sheila? Are you on?
Yeah.
Okay, to break. To break right here. It's in the first column.
Kachere. Kachere.
Ga, remember? Ki, ah,
Good.
ga, ji, da. Ga,
Achida.
ji, da. Can you say it again?
Kachida.
There you go. Gachida. Yeah. Because remember the gi and ah is ga. Ga. Gachida. Gachida.
Maya,
Uh-huh.
on the one for to stand,
To stand. I did say.
no, go back up. Go down. It is on the first column.
Okay. Let me.
Hidode.
We see that. We see that. It's
Oh.
we. I'm trying to find it. Where? Right here. Right here. To stand. We see that. That's very confusing to people because it's got the oo and the e in there. And I had a hard time spelling that when I first started reading and writing. I had a hard time reading it because it's got the oo and the e. We see that, and the he is not even, I don't even feel it or hear it. We see that. And that's confusing right there. And I don't even know if there's a sound that you can hear in there except for the oo and the e. We, but the u and the e would be pronounced we in this one. We, but the he coming in there, I have no clue, guys. We see that. I can't hear the he in there. I hear the we, but I can't hear the he in there. And that is a confusing word now to spell and even for new learners to pronounce. It's that's where I'm gonna have to go over consonants and stuff. We see that. We see that.
Mahaya,
Uh-huh.
is it like you're blowing out the H, like
Yeah.
huidida?
Uh-huh. Like blowing it out from we see that out of your throat. You know what I'm saying? We see that. It's like coming out of the base of your throat. So, and it is right here. The diphthong is confusing. It is. And you gotta know what they are, and just like you do English, like A, E, I, O, and U, you know, it's having to remember those. And that's what's kind of confusing. And then looking at them, it's even, you know, sometimes it's, yeah, diphthongs in there and stuff. It's, yeah. Okay. Yeah. You're right, Christy. You're right. Okay. Okay. Who's else on? Paul, are you still on? Who haven't
Yeah,
I
I'm
got?
on.
Okay, can you say a crow?
Osakwa.
Uh-huh. Osa. Remember that he in there
Osa.
is kind of osa. You got a in there. Osawa.
Osakwa.
Uh-huh. There you go. And that's a crow. You know, osa. You just go sa. You know, pronounce each one individual, like you got o, and then you go sa, then wa. And then when you put it together, oshawa. Oshawa. Who else is on? Who else is on? Daniel, are you on? Cassandra, Jinda.
Mhm.
Okay. Can you say sand?
Sand. Oktaha.
Oktaha. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oktaha. Very good, guys. See, this is what these sounds are all about. And that's right, Victoria. Yep, that's true. Yeah. You know, I think all languages are sounds, maybe. I've only put my attention on this one, on the Mvskoke language. And for sounds, but I don't know. I think other languages might have sounds like Spanish. Like Spanish. They may just, their language may be sounds. And I look at English as just words, you know. But our language, so that's why I want y'all to keep studying these sounds. 2 and 3 letter sounds. Go through them. If you're just, you know, sometimes if you got that downtime. And downtime, you know, I don't have very much of that, but sometimes I'll just be sitting there and I thought, well, I could be doing something, and I'll grab the book. You know, I'll grab the book and just go through it and see if I could, you know, what's in there. Because there's a lot of words in this dictionary. Some words that I've heard of, some words that I've never heard. And see, that's what I'm saying. I'm not a master. I'm still a baby in this language, because I can turn to the dictionary and there's some words in there I've never heard of. And I'm like, this is what it is. And that's all 3 of us in here. Of course, we're almost the same age. One is a little younger than we are, than the 2 women in here, the 2 speakers. But, you know, it's kind of hard to figure out, you know, what is this? I have never heard this before. And we'll discuss it, you know. But there's some words in there we've never heard of in that dictionary. So we're, you know, when I say I'm not a master and don't be intimidated, that's what I'm talking about. I'm still a baby in it, just like you are, to a point, you know. And so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to. Who else is in? Diane, are you in? Diane? Donna? Darren? Who am I talking to there? Who am I talking to here?
Mvhayv, Miko.
Okay.
How do you say truth? I'm having a hard time with that because it don't sound like it's spelled. Because I thought
Is it on
truth.
this list?
It's on a second.
Truth.
It says truth. Well, now you have to go back down. Let's see.
Is it on 2 or 3 letter words? I mean, sounds.
3. 3 letter.
You see it?
Mvhayv,
Okay,
the word
right
Mahinwa.
here. Mihinwa.
That's what that's what I thought, but it don't. Because I didn't say truth. I always thought it was whatsi.
It is. It is too, but this is where, like this Mihinwa,
Mm-hmm.
it's more formal, like the law.
Oh, okay, okay, yes, okay.
And truth is like what, you know, like when
Uh-huh.
you know it's truth. What to do? See,
Uh-huh.
you know, that's how that's used. Okay.
Okay, that's what was confusing me because I
Yeah.
thought don't spell like it sounds, you know. So
Mihinwa.
and mihinwa,
Mihinwa.
mihinwa. Okay, mado. Now,
Any more questions? We got about 20 minutes. Oh, yeah, about 20. Is there any questions on any of these sounds before we go back over them again? Okay, we got one.
Manabohane is Mahaya.
Oh, was she that Mihinwa?
Hadam, no. Hadam Umogan Okonaida.
Go back over the sounds?
No, not sounds. The words. You know, for each word, go over each one of them again. I mean, the whole page.
Okay, we'll go back over that. You know, this is for you guys. You know, I'm willing to do whatever y'all want to do. Will that help the rest of you?
yes, ma'am.
All righty. This is for you.
Mahaya.
You know, I don't mind doing this. So, okay.
Just
right
reading
here.
them again. Just, you know, see Mahaya. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to do it or y'all want to do it?
We'll do it with you.
Okay. Okay, let's start with hawk and we're going to go from top to bottom to the other deal. Ayo.
Ayo.
Ayo. Afki.
Afki.
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Jofi. Chola. Chola. Chalo. Chokwa. Chadi. Chogo. Ijo. Itcha. Itcha. Ida. Ihi. Ina. Fingi. Fingi. Fojo. Fashki. Fatcha. Now this is truth right here, but this saying like it's right, you know, but actually that's like the truth. Remember from Mihinwa to truth. Fatcha.
Mahaya, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go back up, please. On, put the page back up on body. It's Ina.
Ina. Ina. Make that
if the A is an I sound.
No. It's a ah. The I is the A sound.
Yeah, I mean, if the A is an I sound, why isn't it Inai?
Okay. You're getting confused, okay? If this was an I, it'd be Ine. But, okay, this has got a ah sound. Ini ah. Ina.
Yeah.
Ah and A. You're getting it mixed up. The I is an A sound. And this is a, 'a', 'a'. 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 '
But we said the A sounds like an I.
Okay. You're getting totally confused here, okay? You're getting,
Okay,
okay, so, okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. This is where I'm gonna show you. Okay. Look here, we're going back to single letters. A, G, I, B,
Yeah.
He, A, G, Li, Mi, Ni, O, B, C, C, D, U, A, We, Yi. Okay? Anytime you see this, it is an A sound, but this is A. You're looking at them as English, okay? Forget English. When you look at this, it's A, G, I, B, He, A, G, Li, Mi, Ni, O, B, C, C, D, U, A, We, Yi. Okay? Okay. So look here, A, hey ye, leggy def, bakey def. Did that help you a little bit, or is it, you're still confused?
I'll keep working on it.
When you see this, and this is not an A, this is A.
Yeah,
Okay,
right?
A. Yeah. You're looking at, okay, when you look at this, and this is A. This is A. Okay. So see, this is where you're looking at them in an English version. In an English version. So when you see ah, it's an ah sound.
Okay.
Ah. When you see this, it's A.
When I see what?
The I, but I don't
Yeah,
like to call
oh.
it I because it's an A.
Yeah, I get that.
Okay, because we're not, okay, this is where you need to switch over from English to Mvskoke, okay?
Uh-huh.
This you need to miss, because a lot of us will say, okay, when you look at this, some people will say A, C, E, E, B.
Yeah, no.
A, C, E, E, F, H. We don't want to look at it that way. We want to look at it as A, G,
G.
E, B, He, A,
Right.
G, Ni, O, B, C, C, D, U, A, We, Yi.
Right.
That's how we need to learn it, okay? That's how exactly we need to learn it.
Okay.
You know, okay, so where was that word you had? See this right here? To set, lay, gida, lay, gida. It don't have the A in there because it's not like this one. Cow, waga.
Uh-huh.
Waga. Any did that kind of like
Oh,
right here?
it was body. That was the word.
Ina, because it's ini ah. Because you're looking at the Mvskoke. Ini ah, ina.
Okay, I had written in my notes that the I sounds like A and the A sounds like I, but that's not right.
Oh, no.
Okay.
The A, which is ah, and you know, maybe we need to go, you know how I say, like Jimmy, I don't say C-E-M-E right here.
Uh-huh.
Jimmy, I don't say, I don't never spell anything in English when it's a Mvskoke word because it's not. It'll confuse you. So it's G-E-M-E. G-E-M-E.
Uh-huh. Okay,
So you look at them, you know. Could you do
okay.
an just the sounds from these pages so we can practice? Don't we have one out on our website? The sounds, 2 and 3 letter sounds. I think we got them.
Yeah, it should be on your previously recorded.
Okay, on the previous recordings, there is a single, the 2 and the 3 letter sounds are on there. And the previous recordings, they should be on there.
Okay, I'll work on that. I don't want to take up any more time.
Oh, that's
All right.
okay. It doesn't, you know, what you're trying to learn, that's okay, because this is the class that this is what you're gonna learn, okay? This is a learning class. This is no inconvenience. And I'm sure
Okay.
other people too. And that's why I encourage you to use the Mvskoke sounds instead of English.
Right,
That,
of course.
yeah.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Mvhayv, Mikoro,
Uh-huh.
that address to find that YouTube, how do you get to that? What's a page for that? The address.
Mvskoke Obonaga.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she's got it in chat.
Oh, chat.
She's got it in there.
Okay. Let's go. And it's Mvskoke sounds?
Mvskoke, yeah, uh-huh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm learning a lot today.
Good, good. That's what we want, okay? And even the people that's been in it previously, if this is like other people's questions, they will help the ones that's a little bit, yeah, okay? That's good, that's good. That's what I want. That's what we want here. And remember I told y'all before, this is, if we have to go back over and over and over, that's what it's going to take. That's what it's going to do, because, you know, if we just run through it, why, you know, and like I said, I guarantee my classes. So you have to, you know, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because this is what learning's all about, okay? You know how many things we miss in life and we don't want to ask questions?
Mvhayv,
Uh-huh.
page, down at the bottom, you did that word right.
Uh-huh.
Just below, what is it? Yeah, just below sharp.
Yeah. Okay. This is what I was explaining earlier. Facha. Right. My God. That's that means like, is that right? Facha. But facha means truth.
Okay.
It's truth. And you know, we get this off the, and some of this
my question, Ingeman, Bona Yuji, know what? Left hand is kaskana.
Uh-huh.
So how do you say right hand?
Uh-huh. Cabeza.
Huh?
Right hand. I think it's cabeza, ain't it? Hang on a minute. I might be confused here. Kaskani is left, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Cabeza.
Yeah, cabeza, and then it's got for her right hand.
Okay, right-handed. Okay, kaskani, my God, that's left-handed. Right-handed is cabeza. Kabitha. Right-handed is kabitha. But you can use this right in any way, direction you want to. Like it can mean, like dayi. It's right, dayi. You know, bonaisa dayi dos. The way you're speaking is right. See, dayi. It can be used any way. And to me, right here, I would have put truth here. I would put truth right here. That facha, truth. You know, facha. I would have put that instead of right. I don't know. But I think that you put this right here, right? Like kabitha facha, toward the right, or, you know, that way, or hasosha facha, toward the east. I think that that's what they're kind of doing here. You know what? I'm going to correct that, okay? For y'all guys, that way. Y'all won't be, that's confusing even to me. Okay, any more questions? Okay, where was we at when we were pronouncing these? Okay. Chula, we're gonna start with Fox. Chula, chalo, chukwa, chadi, chogo, chogo, ijo, itcha, ida, ihi, ina, fingi, fojo, faski, facha, uski, oba, oji, odo, odo, pome, bogi, boxy, okay, ani, ada, aji, aha, ala, yaha, yaha, yappi, boxy, budgie, Boshi, Waga, Wotko, Basha. Okay, remember we did some corrections on that doorway. It's ahogi, ahogi, and that's not the way we pronounce it is not the way it's spelled on there. So we had that corrected, and I'll have this for you. I thought we did, but it didn't stay. So ahogi, and same way with mudho, akhogi, akhogi, ahod, aksufki, aksufki, upon, akhasi, a field, jabofa, a well, like this is in health, like healthy or well, jafikni, a bell, jump, chaga, jump, chaga, a boy. Now this is gender now. This is like a gender. Chibani, a bridle, chuksaka, chuksaka, angry, jabaki, a ridge, janaksi, a son, ipuji, ipuji, his heart. Okay, remember a heart is just figi, but when you're saying his heart, you say ifigi, ifigi, a child or a baby, istuji. Did you read that? It says, I sent a message to a single person. Could we have a page on Instagram with just the sounds with this from these pages? It helps me go over our pages as sound to me. It would be YouTube. It's on the recording, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm not understanding, because we went over this before.
Yeah.
So it should be on YouTube.
It should be on YouTube on that page with the recording. Yeah, just, she doesn't want the whole class, just the sounds. I think we got it on our Facebook page too, don't we?
We should look at it. That should have been one of the first posts we did on.
Yeah. If you go back, check it, it should be on there, or it could be on our website. I think there's one on our Facebook page too. It should be on that Facebook page too, on Mvskoke language. Because we've done them before. And it could be on this, okay? Okay, we got, Hasiskivka. Okay, break this down. Hasiskivka. Hamgat. Uthibiga. Boxy in hat hitgit. Chihidagatis. I'll see y'all day after tomorrow, okay?
Inga.
Oh, I know. And we're going to go back over this because I want y'all to learn this. I want y'all to get used to learn these sounds. The sounds is what we need to really learn. If nothing else, I stress those sounds. If y'all can just go over it sometimes or listen to the recording, it would help you. It would be something that y'all probably need to go over, and I'll go over them with you. And don't you know, like I said, all the questions, if we have to keep going over this, we will. Oh, I know. Chihija got this. All right. I will see y'all. Maro.
Hello.
Maro.
No.
Maro.
Mado.
Aha. Oh
Mado.
my God. Yeah.
Log out. How do I log out? Let's see here. There it goes. Oh, goodbye.